Carrie and Scott are leaving. We're headed to Magnolia today, but they had a few things that they need to get done and wanted to stop and visit other places. So they're heading on, and we're going to have a picnic before we leave, or a barbecue. Wish they could have stayed, but yeah, they had to get some stuff done. We'll see them later today. Who's the Moo-moo, huh? Are you being guard dog? What?
Excuse me.
Sun is high. No clouds. Nice and sunny, and it's up there high. So it's definitely a beautiful day here today. Right by the water.
Hook into this to hook up to one of the big bottles.
Sizzling.
Oh,
ooh, that looks nice.
Buggers.
Buggers. What you think, ma'am? What you think?
It already looks good and smells good.
It smells wonderful.
I'm hungry.
Your dress is so cute.
Thank you. Hi, Aja.
Hey, how you doing, Aubrey?
Good.
That's a cute outfit.
Thank you.
So what are y'all doing? Just playing some frisbee? Oh no, that's
We're
a...
actually playing what we call stick it ball because
Oh.
it sticks.
Yeah, that's cool.
Instead, we're playing just throw the ball.
Well, hey Ethan, how are you doing today?
Good.
Isn't it beautiful today?
Yes, and these stickers hurt really bad.
Oh, the sand spurs?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta be
Give
careful
me-
with those.
Yeah, they're yeah.
Ooh.
I almost threw it in the water, so he had to toss himself. No, I had to do this. I went.
No!
And I got scratches.
Oh no.
Mommy, I can put them right here on the white table.
Cut up avocado and tomato, and I need to cut up lettuce, and I'm gonna
Okay.
see if we need to put cheese on any of them.
Okay.
This is Colleen. Oh, I should have asked her if she wanted cheese. Oh well, she'll like cheese.
Right.
That's Colleen.
Yeah, I think she does. Like, she had a cheese sandwich yesterday, so she,
Oh.
yeah. That looks so good.
It does. I got 2 more that I'm gonna put on for me. I like mine thin, my hamburgers.
Right?
So I'm gonna put mine on after. There's no room for them right now.
Are y'all doing some spring cleaning?
Yeah, just a little more spring cleaning.
Spring. Is that what it is?
Is it spring yet?
Spring cleaning.
Hey, cowbell!
I don't think that's how it really sounds, but
Clang,
okay.
clang, 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 clang,
That's
clang,
better.
clang.
It's barbecue time. Time to eat, y'all.
Okay.
So you were okay with the cheese?
No.
Oh, well, I told her that you had a
I
cheese
know
sandwich
you did.
yesterday.
I like a cheese sandwich. I like cheese and crackers. I don't like cheese on my burger.
Oh,
Yeah, I should have known that.
sorry.
Why would you know that?
To check with the source.
Where's the ketchup, lady?
What? Oh, ketchup? Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
go get it. Ooh, table. Thank you, sir. Go put it on the table.
I was just saying, I wonder if we should keep the salads inside because it's so warm and sunny
Yeah,
today.
that would probably be a good idea. Oh, because they're already out.
Yeah.
Well, the coleslaw should be fine, actually, I think.
Cold, I've been keeping in the
But that looks
cooler.
good. Homemade.
Yeah. So's this.
No, that's not. Homemade by Walmart.
Homemade by Walmart.
Broken Biga.
Yes.
It looks good.
Oh my god!
Oh no!
Daddy! He's bad at doing that.
It's okay.
I'm very
Doggies, that's for
clumsy.
the doggies. Banjo and Moo-moo.
Ow!
Be careful, they're probably still hot. Just leave them there for a second.
Let them cool off.
Looks yummy, doesn't it? I have a hamburger with coleslaw, tomato, lettuce,
Are you staying in?
potato salad, some pickles, and a hot dog with avocado and ketchup and mustard. Oh my god, I almost
Sugar.
forgot the beans. Let me get some beans. Yes.
Aja, this is with real sugar, no preservatives, no nothing.
Oh, cool. The
No
pickles?
hot-
Yeah, I
yeah.
grabbed some pickles.
Love bread and butter pickles. Yeah.
The beans look good.
I need to get a plate like that.
Yeah, I love my metal plate. I got it in the camping section. I'm gonna need you to stop with your creepy baby lady. Got the evil eyes, evil eyes. Thank you very much, Mom. Ethan's eating inside. He doesn't like the bugs. They're bothering him. But can I get that again, Mia?
The golden.
The spoon goes in your mouth, not on the ground.
Whoopsie. Oh no.
He's went by twice.
He doesn't like the gnats and stuff.
I don't know. That's what they said. He's
Maybe
usually
tonight if he comes back,
loves the gnats.
They'll bring
Oh,
bolt cutters.
well.
he just wants to be alone, I think.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow. When I thought.
Are you hot? Do you got your shade going on there, lady? Moo-moo's back home, yay! Thank you.
You're welcome. Nick told us that the 5-minute warning.
Okay. Well, everybody is getting packed up, and we've given the 5-minute warning that we're going to be pulling out soon. I still need to get gas, so yeah, I need to go find that. But anyways, we should be pulling out of here in about 5 minutes and heading to Magnolia Beach. Awesome sauce.
Do you mind if he parks here?
No, come on in. Hey, Jack. Awesome.
We go in Magnolia.
Magnolia Beach, yeah.
I wasn't being rude.
No, how are you doing?
I'm okay, how are you?
We
Good.
broke down on the side of the road. Well, the Explorer overheated, so I had to pull it over.
Uh-huh.
And we weren't there a minute, and all of a sudden this truck comes back around and goes through the little interpass, comes up behind us. It was Jack. Right in the middle
Really?
of Texas. We're like, whoa, what are
That's
you doing
cool.
here?
My pin thing's working. Yay!
Yay! I am using my DSLR for the trip now because I've been using my new camera, but there seems to be like a rattling sound when I am actually going down the road. I don't know if it's because the mic's not on securely, but yeah, I get a kind of a rattling noise when I'm moving, so we're gonna try the DSLR and hopefully that will solve that problem. So are y'all gonna stop for gas? I have to stop and get gas.
Yes, we're gonna stop at Walmart and get gas.
Okay, I'll just follow y'all up there. Okay, dokie.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Lord, I can be so ditzy sometimes. I left my GoPro at the park because I was recording us in the picnic, and yeah, I left it behind, but luckily Jack was there and he is grabbing it, so I'm gonna head back there. Oh, that's so fortunate. Oh my god, I've got to be better about that. But I'm heading back there right after I fill up and grab my camera. Ditzy. Top it off. There you go, $57. Alright. Okay, we are filled up and I've got to go run and get my camera. Can't believe I left that. Warren, I'm so ditzy. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. All right, we'll see ya.
All right.
Are you coming up to Magnolia?
I don't know. Maybe.
Well, we'll be there for probably a week, so, or...
Well, see, I'm going to try to a couple days here, see what's the
It's
weather.
nice here.
It is nice, and
Yeah.
it's a great price, apparently.
Yeah, free is always a great price. All right, we'll see you later.
Travel safe.
Thank you, you too. That was so awesome of him. Thank you, Jack. All right, let's get on the road. Hopefully I got everything this time. Bye.
to hold my own. But nothing's forever, the pages will turn. I'll pull it together, my energy burns. I need to find something, but something to feel. The mountains are climb.
All right, we are here. Dana had to go and return a few items that she bought last night when we were doing some shopping, and pick up a few things, because I don't believe there's any Walmart where we're going. So, yeah, we're gonna wait on her for a little bit, and then we're gonna get back on the road. God, what are you trying to disco out at the... Well, actually, it's not disco,
That's
but...
disco.
You trying to have a party here in the parking lot?
Fetty Wap went disco.